Marum? Marum. Marum is a place that is associated with these places here, the Tree Alliance. So you've got Friends International, Rumdong, Rumdeng, Sandan in Sihanoukville, Marc in Vientiane. I'm not going to bother pronouncing that one. No. K, that one, Luang Prabang, and
one?
Linkage in Yangon.
Which one?
That one.
Kai Fun.
K-Fun in Luang Prabang, and Linkage in Yangon. Part of the Tree Alliance, which is there. Whoop, I couldn't. And what these places essentially do is take like kids off the street, teach them how to cook, and train them up to work in hospitality. So all the kids, all the people that work here are training.
Learning skills, not just cook.
That's right, and it's providing us with skills too. So we're the one in Siem Reap called Marum. I've never been here, but I've been to Friends a few times in Phnom Penh. It's pretty nice. It's quite quiet. Oh, you've got a big straw. So everyone's very polite. And if you do a bit of Googling, you'll find that, Gordon Ramsay went to Friends in Phnom Penh for one of his videos, so you'll get a good look inside of what it's like. It's pretty cool. So if you're in Siem Reap and you want some nice food, because the food here is very nice, and you don't want to pay through the arse for it, and you want us to do something supporting some people providing skills, come to one of these places. And behind me you've got the Friends and stuff gift shop as well.
Made by the kids from the...
Yeah, and all the stuff in there is essentially made by the kids that they train up. So not just providing hospitality type skills, but also textile and other skills that they can use. So check out the Friends and Stuff shop. It's probably not going to be old market cheap with like in terms of prices, but you're not going to get shit, and you're actually supporting the locals empower their youth. So give that a crack and do something. Correct?
Yeah, they make really amazing food.
Thank you for your enthusiasm.
Help people.
Yeah, but you're like this.
Yeah, I was looking.
Don't make really...
Yeah, but I was looking for the description of the Friends International organizations.
Okay.
So I can give you the fact of what the place is.
Ah.
Hey. See?
Not prepared.
Not prepared.
Okay.
I didn't get paid for this.
So my starters are just here. I don't know if it's going to be a starter or the whole meal. It's like a sun-dried tomato on this spread. Sun-dried mayo, parmesan. It's just beautiful. You like it? I'll show you upstairs. But essentially, throughout this place as well, you've got a whole heap of information about scams that happen in Cambodia around the orphanages, stuff that happens on the street, such as like the milk scam, people coming up to you trying to get you to buy powdered milk for their kids, information about giving like money to beggars and things like that. So they want you to be really informed, because a lot of those activities aren't the best, although it might provide a short-term kick for yourself that, hey, I'm doing something good. The prolonged effects of those activities aren't the best for the kids and everyone involved. They also have free condoms in the men's room as well, or the bathrooms as well, so they're there to prevent the spread of STDs. There's not a lot of paper, they don't have straws, so they're very, very progressive in that sense. They're trying to do all these little things that they can to set the example and set the tone for people coming here. So yeah, apart from the food, I recommend checking one of them out, just so you're a bit more informed when in this part of the world.